Introducing My IPS. Start by visiting our website. Click the icon in the top right corner, then select Register. Fill in the required fields plus any optional info you'd like to personalize. You'll get a confirmation email with your username and password. Use these to log in. Now create a list and give it a name. To add products, browse the catalog, add it to your list and click Save. When you are done, go back to My IPS to review everything. Click Build Submittal Package. Then enter your name, company, email, and any project details. In addition to data sheets, you can also include certifications and installation instructions. Check your inbox, click the red download button, and enjoy your custom Aalberts IPS submittal package.